Hello guys, I welcomes you all in this session and I hope you all are doing well. Myself Snehalata Yadav, Assistant Professor EC Department in Shankara Institute of Technology, Kokas, Jaipur. Today I will discuss the Quinn-Amsi-Klossky method which is in BTech 4th SEM Electrical branch. Quinn-Amsi-Klossky method is also known as tabular method. This is also a minimization technique which is used for simplification of Boolean functions. The procedure for tabular method has mainly three steps. Step 1 is combination of minterms. Step 2 is selection of prime implicants. And step 3 is selection of essential prime implicants. Now, step 1 is combination of minterms. This step also has some sub-steps. Sub-step A. Write the Boolean representation of the given minterms. Sub-step B. Write the given minterms in increasing index. Index is what? Index is the number of ones present in given minterm. Sub-step C. Now compare the nth index minterm with n plus 1 index minterm. The condition for this comparison is that only one variable is vary from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 and remaining all variables should be constant. Sub-step D. Now place dash in place of that variable whose value is vary from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 and remaining all variables should be same and tick mark all possible combinations. Sub-step E. Now compare n plus 1 order index minterm with n plus 2 order index minterm and so on. The remaining conditions for comparison will be same. Now step 2 is selection of prime implicants. For the selection of prime implicants, we write all unchecked minterm combinations in a column and write all the given minterms except don't care terms in a row. Now place cross sign against the given minterm present in the combination. Guys, please note here, don't care terms are not included in prime implicant table. Now step 3 is selection of essential prime implicants. For the selection of essential prime implicants, tick that column which have a single cross and star mark the corresponding minterm. These star mark minterms will be essential prime implicants. These essential prime implicants should be contains all the given minterms including don't care terms or excluding don't care terms. If any minterm is missing in essential prime implicants excluding don't care terms, then we will consider another combination of minterms from previous tables. Finally, write down the output equation for these essential prime implicants. I hope you all are understand the procedure for the Quinn-Amsi-Klossky method or tabular method. In next session, I will solve the numericals of tabular method. Thank you.